about the repository chapter. That is our we discuss about what is repository, why we need repository, and how to use the repository. Hope you all want this topic because this topic is commonly asked in your long question repository exam. It is a basic topic of introduction towards the repository. So from this heading you can understand that what is the video content. So that without further delay we will start our topic. So repository is coming derived from the word Latin word repositorium. What is repository? Repository means a compendium or a storehouse or a table where a place where all things are arranged in a systematically way. So it is also known as armamentarium, means the weapons are arranged in a systematically way. What is homeopathic repository? Homeopathic repository is a repository towards a mater medica where all the symptoms of mater medica are arranged in a systematic way. So maटर मेडिका का जो भी सिम्टम है वो सिस्टमेटिक अरेंज में रहने से उसको एक इंडेक्स बोलते हैं एंड दिस इंडेक्स इज नोन एज होम्योपैथिक रिपोर्टरी एंड दैट सिस्टमेटिक वे ऑफ index recording what are rubric. Rubric is a term which consists the respective rubric in a rubric term and along with their respective drug. So with a respective gradation so that it is easily find we can easily find to them. मीन्स होम्योपैथिक रिपोर्टरी क्या होता है, एक इंडेक्स होता है मैटर मेडिका होया जहाँ पर भी हम ऑल द सिम्टम ऑफ द मैटर मेडिका का ऑल द सिम्टम वी फाइंड इन अरेंज्ड इन ए सिस्टमिक वे इन रूब्रिक format along with their respective drug with respective gradation. So what is gradation? Gradation is that हम हमारे आइलैंड नोट में आप देखे होंगे कि सिम्टम को तीन ही स्टाइल में लिखा होता है, एक बोल्ड लेटर, एक बोल्ड में लिखा होता है और एक इटैलिक में लिखा होता है और एक क्या नॉर्मल लेटर में लिखा होता है. जो बोल्ड में लिखा होता है उसको हम थर्ड ग्रेड बोलते हैं, जो इटैलिक में लिखा होता है उसको हम सेकंड ग्रेड बोलते हैं एंड जो नॉर्मल में लिखा होता है उसको हम फर्स्ट ग्रेड बोलते हैं. तो दैट इज़ द ग्रेडेशन so that it is we can easily find to them in the respective repertorial book. Why we need repertory? It is easy to find. Henneman first feels the need of this repertory. The need of a repertory comes from the homeopathy itself, character of the homeopathy itself. It is written by Dr. Barthel and Dr. Kulkarni. They both together says that homeopathic repertory why we need because of its character of the homeopathic itself, and it is described by the Dr. Barthel and Dr. Kulkarni in the mater medica pleura. From mater medica pleura is the first reporterization occur. Then a second reporterization is occur from the fragmental debrivation medicamentum curantum. Okay. तो एग्जाम में और ओपीएससी और योर कॉम्पिटिटिव में फास्ट रिपोर्टराइजेशन बुक where occur if question asked then your answer will be mathematical pleura occur. Then second reporterization where from where it is arise, that is fragmental debrivation medicamentum cura. That is a book where first Dr. Henneman write 1805 all those drugs, first book of homeopathic source book like. So now we go towards the scope and limitation of mater medica. So क्या उसका बेनिफिट है और क्या लिमिटेशन है होम्योपैथिक रिपोर्टरी बुक का. होम्योपैथिक रिपोर्टरी बुक फर्स्ट इज दैट इट हेल्प्स इन द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द सिमिलम. इट एक्ट्स एज ए रेफरेंस बुक. इट हेल्प्स इन द स्टडी ऑफ mater medica. It helps the mater medica to comparative way of study. Helps in the foundation of a complete symptom, that is by location, sensation, concomitant according to the Boning Hussein. Then it helps in formulating the question during case taking. It helps in the selection of the drug for second prescription. Also increase the authenticity of that homeopathy. Helps in the selection of a right rubric against similar rubric. It helps in the study of homeopathy in relation to pathology. Also it helps in the standardization of homeopathy for documentation of that case for future reference. Okay, these are the 10 points about the scope of a homeopathic repertory. Then what is the limitation of homeopathic repertory? That is, there is no repertory of there is no one repertory till now is complete. So repertory is not independent, it depends upon the mathematical organon. I feel that this is comes under scope point, but because mathematical organon is our philosophy, it is our foundation. Without them we can't imagine any type of homeopathical work. That's why wide variability among the repertories. It is having very much wide variability. Then efficacy of a repertory of solely based on case taking. Efficacy of a repertory is solely based on case taking. That is the important point. And a report say according to that repertorization is depend upon the case taking, selection of a repertory, and intelligent analysis of a repertory work. Then the repertory wall will be success. Without these 3 points, there will be no work of repertory will be success. So इस तीनों को हमको याद रखना चाहिए. So this is all about the scope and limitation Lastly, in our what is repertory, why we need repertory, these things are now covered. Now we go towards the classification of repertory. What is according to XK theory, he divided repertory classify according to 5 categories. That is, first category is logic utility or utilitarian, means repertory based on certain logic. So with with philosophy, logic and philosophy, with that combination, the repertory book, mainly the repertory of philosophy of individualization, where the based on the principle that deductive logic, the philosophy of individualization class contain the deductive logic principle. So Kent repertory, Lippi repertory, synthetic repertory, synthesis repertory, Murphy repertory, complete repertory. These are some important repertory on the based on the philosophy of individualization. So you should remember these 5 repertory. If examiner asks, you can say, and these are very commonly used by the homeopath. Then the repertory which based on the generalization concept, that is particular to general. Here the principle is inductive logic. So individualization principle is deductive logic. Deductive logic means the logic is from general to particular, and deductive logic is the logic or principle or the philosophy is from particular to general. Like a Bonning-Hussain repertorial book, where BTPB, Bonning-Hussain therapeutic pocket repertory, then BTPB, that is the chapter wise complete symptom with concomitant content. Then philosophy on the basis of a complete symptom along with pathological general symptom and a causation, that is Bogo repertory, BBCR. That is BBCR is the repertory which based on the philosophy of a complete symptom along with pathological general and causation. Okay. Then second variety of our repertory, that is repertory based on the Puritan concordance or without any distinct philosophy, means ABC type of alphabet or a synchrony from its origin, like Gentry, Nord repertory, symptom registered by D.F. Allen. These are the example of concordance or the repertory whose principle based do not believe on philosophical. It having concordance means any type ABC type of alphabetically arrangement of the rubric or synchronized with the origin. First, which rubric is first origin of the medicine or rubric, then second according to their origin or history. Then third is based on the clinical symptom of a repertory, means nosological naming of the repertory or symptom wise disease naming repertory. That is it is mainly 2 types. One is general, another is particular. In general, we see the clinical symptom from head to foot, whole body. So in general, there is the symptom is right from head to foot along with the whole body. Examples are Boric repertory, OE Boric and JH Boric. you should remember that the boric repertory, where the repertory part is written by the O.E. Boric and the mathematical part is written by the William Boric. It is commonly asked in the Viva. So remember, boric repertory part is written by the O.E. Boric. Then particular, in particular, based on the organ wise or a particular symptom or a organ repertory, that is regional repertory of eye with berries, repertory of head, that is nirdha, repertory of throat, guincy. These are the repertory whose principle based on the particular symptom wise particular organ. Then second is the principle regarding the based on the symptom, like urinary organ by A.R. Morgan, like repertory of a digestive system by Michael, repertory of a respiratory Vanderberg. These are the based on the particular symptom wise organ. Then based on a particular disease, like respiratory disease of cough expectoration, like Clark. Then repertory of a neurological disease Lutze. Then repertory of a diarrhea written by the Bell. Then another thing you should remember that lastly, four variety of particular of a clinical symptom of a repertory, that is a symptom based on the repertory. Based on the repertory means here, like N. Mahanti, he also divided repertory into two types. One is with logic, without logic. You should remember only this thing. In above video, we will discuss complete description of N. Mahanti repertorial work or repertorial book. Then our fourth variety of SK Tiwari classification, that is a repertory based on the single symptom, like repertory of a sensation as if HA robot, repertory of time modalities by R.B. Parler, repertory of a sides of a body, that is Bonning Hussein. Then repertory based on the multiple symptom, like repertory based on the desire or aversion, YA Orgoral, repertory based on the aggravation or amelioration, TG Stonham. That is the thing. Then repertory based on the card repertory. Card repertory is the last repertory classification, that is Quincy card repertory, Sharma card repertory, Kishore repertory, Bugo repertory. Lastly, other type of a repertorial work, that is mechanical added repertory, that is auto-visual repertory by R.P. Patel. All computer software like radar is the most common type. These are the organum, PDF, HPR. These are the other variety of mechanically added repertory. Okay, these are the we discuss about all the classification of a repertory. Okay, according to SK Tiwari. Now we go towards the method of repertorization. How how the repertorization process occur. So repertorization is mainly in this third EBHMS curriculum and the fourth BHMS. We refer the book mostly Kentian repertory, Bugo repertory and Bonning Hussein repertory. Okay, that is the most three book we day to day acquainted in our BHMS UG curriculum. Okay, so BK Sarkar lecture of homeopathy, he give 6 method of repertorization. First method is a Bonning Hussein or a Hennemannian method, where the method is applicable where all the symptoms available in a complete form, that is concomitant, modality, sensation, location. This symptom if contain the case, if contain this symptom, then we refer the Bonning Hussein or a Hennemann method. Then Kentian method is based on the general abundant. The case where general symptom is abundant, we refer the Kentian method. The cases where mental general is lacking, then and the cases where all the general are absent, that is characteristic striking particular, we refer the keynote symptom. Okay, only the common particular if present, then we go for the constitution, temperament, complexion, appearance, particular organopathy. Lastly, based on the purely nosological term, which is least important. In common particular symptom like organ wise, like some people give liver disease, the Calladosperma, in spleen disease cyanothos. So these are the based on the common particular symptom. Then what are the techniques we do use for the reporterization? That is old technique. Remember, this is the most classical method of a technique, that is a plain paper of method technique. Okay, then modern method is the method where reporter sheet is used, and it is most commonly nowadays available, and nowadays most homeopath use this method, that is reporter sheet method, most common variety. Then SK theory also give modern method according to card technique. Referral technique, modern method is also known as a card technique. Okay, referral technique is the most artistic technique where we use thumb finger technique. Lastly, computer technique. Computer technique is the fourth method where we then process of a reportization, total addition, total elimination. In total addition, we use all rubric and all that drugs. In eliminating process, we use logical process, logical thinking, by which only one important characteristic general with mental general is our milestone. We more focus on the mental general than the physical. So this is the logical process where we eliminate the symptom which is not required for a particular case. It is first described by the Emil Tyre and Morgan Emil Tyre and helped by John Morg. Okay, this question is most commonly asked in your PSC exam. You should remember that eliminating process of reportization is first introduced by whom? If option contain Emil Tyre, it is answer. Then if Emil Tyre is not present and John Reich is present, then you should pick that option. Then steps of reportization. How we do reportization? So according to Robert philosophy, most cases of first we case selection, then perfect reportization, then intelligent analysis. In footnote 67, there is limitation of homeopathic reportization occur where the cases selection, cases taking and case recording if not occur correctly, then the drug selection will be wrong. So in case taking, we get why we do case taking. We get the totality of symptom. What is the meaning of case selection? Means the case is as acute or chronic. In case recording, we should record in a standard recording format with perfect and correct interpretation, and there should be intensity of the symptoms should be value on that particular case recording format, and we should write in exact language of that patient symptom. Then analysis and classify the symptom in different group according to Boning-Bussen. We should analysis in the complete picture of the disease like location, sensation, modality and concomitant. And if we go for general way of evaluation, that is physical, particular, mental, that is in the base of a Kent. And if we go for the Boger repertory, then we go for the pathological analysis of that pathological all causation. In that way we should write. Okay, then this is all about the classification and steps of reportization.